stubborn, typical modern young girl, 25 years old, जो अभी भी घर पे रहती है parents के साथ, और that struggle of wanting to be independent but still.
We're happy to answer them. The film was partly crowdfunded. As Nikhil said, we had a lot of people helping us with a whole bunch of things, all kinds of favors, from getting TVs from people and cars, and free food, just about everything. But that's how the film was made, and we're grateful to a whole bunch of people. But if you have any questions, maybe that's a better way to proceed. Yeah, it is. It was fairly simple because it was changing right before us, right? I mean, for all of us who are in our 40s, etc., you've seen that transition from well, for a whole lot of us who are. Yeah, I've seen that transition from the India in the 80s, which was more, very bureaucratic, etc., etc., to the opening up of the economy in 1991, and things changed dramatically for all of us. So, so by the late 90s and the early 2000s, it was very apparent the country was changing in a huge way. So I did want to write about it. So I did a lot of research. A lot of Indian companies that kind of survived the multinationals coming, a lot of companies that died because the multinationals came and just completely, took over the market, etc. So much was changing. We had Domino's and McDonald's and all of that coming, and it was very big, at that time. So I did want to write about that change. Yeah.
Can you tell us about your character and how
I read the script. That's about it.
your experience doing the film?
I was in touch with Nicholas for a long time before the film was made, so I knew the script very well. I had read many drafts of it, so I was already connected with the film in a way. So finally, 2 years back when he said that he's got the money, it was very exciting. So I think to prepare for a role, I think just reading the script enough is good enough. Pretty often.
And Kalki, आप बहुत चूजी रही हैं कुछ भी सब्जेक्ट चुनने के मामले में इस फिल्म में आपका जो कैरेक्टर है वो क्या था उसमें इतना कि आपने
Firstly, I don't think मैं काफी choosy हूँ. I think I just get lucky with the kind of people who come my way. And again, ये script बहुत अच्छा था. And Pia की character, my character is called Pia. She's a very stubborn, typical modern young girl, 25 years old, जो अभी भी घर पे रहती है parents के साथ, और that struggle of wanting to be independent but still having to live under the house rules and all of that. So that's her struggle.
Hi Kalki, being in the glamour industry, ऐसा कोई आप लोगों का मंत्रा है कि how to survive in Bollywood या glamour industry का जो pressure होता है उसको cope up करने के लिए ऐसा कोई मंत्र है आप दोनों?
So we've already done this on Facebook. My mantra is a Japanese proverb which says, "Today better than yesterday, worse than tomorrow."
I keep telling my father यार कि आप director क्यों नहीं बने? But unfortunately he works for the government. So my mantra to survive in the industry is to just as cliched as it sounds, is just to keep on going and keep on working, because I think somehow the busier you are, the more work you keep getting.
रजत, आपसे एक सवाल है जी. पिछले कई सालों में आपने बहुत सारी हिंदी फिल्में बनाई हैं, उनको बढ़ावा दिया. आपको लगता है कि पिछले 15 सालों में, 10 सालों में और अब में कितना अंतर आया है, कितना सिनेरियो चेंज हुआ है आपके हिसाब से?
आपको
कितना
क्या
आसान है इस तरह की लोग?
आपको क्या लगता है?
नहीं, मतलब मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ।
I'll answer that, but आपको क्या लगता है?
मुझे लग रहा है कि काफी बढ़ावा मिला है और बहुत ऐसी फिल्में आ रही हैं।
You know, I feel that the high point of so-called indie cinema was from 2003 to 2008. That's when we really saw a revival of this kind of cinema, because multiplexes were new at that time, and that became our space and the space for our audience and our cinema. But post 2008, 2009, there has been a resurgence of the mainstream cinema, and it has, I think, more or less killed everything else, or taken away the chance for it to survive. So what happens now that a film, a regular mainstream film, comes out in 3,000, 4,000 screens, and that doesn't leave any space for anything else. So the big struggle now, besides making the film, is to get it out there. Where do you show such a film? You know, so that has become a big struggle.